confirms new issues in Windows 11 23S2. Microsoft recently released the newest feature update version 23S2 for Windows 11, but the update is plagued with numerous issues, including buggy Copilot on multimeter setup and broken Narrator. Microsoft says it's aware of the issue and has pushed the update on support PCs while it works on a fix. Windows 11 23S2 started to roll out last month and more users jumped on the bandwagon after it started rolling out via the media creation tool. This update brings a host of new features of users. There a new AI-powered assistant called Copilot for Explorer, get revamped and much more. However, it looks like not everything is going right with the update. We first reported that the update was failing to stall for some users. Now it's look like more issues are cropping up. According to Microsoft non-issues page for Windows 11, user might experience unexpected behavior. PCs with multi-monitor setups are experiencing an issue where icons move between monitor when using Copilot. The issues some seems to be affecting icon alignment on desktop too. This happened only when attempting to use Copilot. Fortunately, Microsoft seems to have put the 23S2 rollout on hold for the affected devices. Users are also advised not to update to Windows 11 23S2 manually. This issue seems to be present on Windows 10 22S2 too, and it's occur because of Copilot uses. This suggests that the issues might not be due to Windows but rather because of Copilot. It is unsurprising since users have complained that Microsoft's latest assistant has been buggy since the launch. Speaking of Copilot, Microsoft has made some changes starting with Windows 11 Preview build 2.3595. Insider installing the build may notice that Copilot has moved to the right of the taskbar. This change turn off the show the desktop option on the taskbar, but fortunately it can be enabled again in settings. Narrator may be broken on Windows 11 23S2. Another issue again posted on Microsoft non-issue page for Windows 11 warns user about Narrator being broken. The issue is again specific to 3S2 update and only happens on device where it is installed via ISO or media creation tool. Microsoft has requested user to update to latest version of their OS via Windows Update only and hold on before forcing the installation via media. There seems to be no resolution for this issue as of now. We will update this video when Microsoft issue a fix.